to talk about WeVideo. WeVideo is an amazing video creation tool that allows students to collaborate in real time. There's a paid and a free version, and there's definitely trials that can get you started. So first I want to walk through a quick creation. And so when you create with WeVideo, it is really easy and user-friendly to use. There are different tracks that you can build out different resources. This is great. I've used it with my own children who are at the time preschool aged all the way up through high school and college as well. And so you can upload your media, you can record straight into WeVideo, you can add narration, you can upload files. So it gives you all of those different options. WeVideo also comes with a very extensive video and image and audio library. So you can play around with these different tools over here, and students don't even need to record anything to be able to use it. I have found that my students take to it really naturally. I haven't had to do a lot of instruction with the tech piece, and so it's really intuitive and user-friendly. With the paid version, you can also create different classes, which we'll explore in just a second. But here with these quick actions, one of the things I actually use WeVideo for the most is for podcasting purposes. So it doesn't even have to be a video. There are fun gifs and different things that you can use as well. WeVideo also comes with a lot of templates to support teachers in creating really creative projects and giving voice to your students in your classrooms. Speaking of classes, over here I've been using this with my students this year, and it's so neat because I can push out all of these different assignments. As you can see, I've got a podcast project that I'm doing with my students right now. And so I can build out the different descriptions, I can add my assignment, and I can have my students record directly into here. When they go to record, they will have that whole access to the WeVideo library, and they'll be able to use audio, and they'll be able to record straight into WeVideo as well. If you are looking for assignment ideas, there are all sorts of different ways that you can grab assignments that have already been generated by WeVideo and by others who work with this product a lot. And so there's some really cool, easy things to push out. And as you can see, it's for all grade levels. So definitely check out this tool. It is one that I use on an almost daily basis, and it has allowed me to create really great resources for teachers as well as for my students. And it's been fun to watch what my students can create as well.